Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kay, and I'm here today doing a Chick-fil-A and Wendy's mukbang, whatever you want to call it. So let's get this started. So first of all, let me tell you, I've been on vacation for like the past 4 days, and I've been cooking every day. Yes, don't get it twisted. I cooks, I cleans, I do all that, boo. So don't even try it. I've been cooking every day, and today I just did not feel like cooking. So I had a taste for some spicy chicken nuggets. So I was like, let me hit up Wendy's and give me some spicy chicken nuggets. Bow, because they got this 2 for $5 going on. So what I did was I got me some spicy chicken nuggets. Boom, boom. And I got a spicy Chick-fil-A sandwich. Not Chick-fil-A sandwich. What am I talking about? A spicy chicken Wendy sandwich. Okay. So I got that because it was 2 for $5. And then I got this little the Chick-fil-A app, which everybody needs the Chick-fil-A app if you gonna go to Chick-fil-A. You don't spend a lot of money. So anywho, so I had some points for some free fries, so I decided to go get me some Chick-fil-A waffle fries. And while I was there, you know, I just went ahead and got me some more nuggets. Now, y'all, let me tell you something. Like a couple months ago, I went on this little weight loss journey type of thing that I was trying to do, right? I wanted to lose about 10 to 15 pounds. 15 at the most, whatever. And I messed around and accidentally lost 20 pounds. So I lost this 20 pounds or whatever, and everybody is like, dang girl, what happened to you? Why you so skinny? Why you lose so much weight? You didn't need to lose that much weight, blah blah blah. And mind you, I was trying to lose weight, but just not 20 pounds or whatever. So I was to lose the weight. I was exercising every day, you know, going to the gym, doing my waist trainer every day. What else was I doing? Oh, and I had just got my wisdom teeth pulled, so I really couldn't eat like I wanted to. I was eating mashed potatoes for like 3 weeks straight. I'm not saying that I wanted to kill myself, but yeah, it just was not fun. So I ended up losing more weight than what I originally wanted to, long story short. So everybody thinking I was trying to starve myself or whatever, blah, blah, this. I'm like, y'all must not know me because I eat, okay? I can eat. Trust me. Anybody that know me know I think about food all the time. I'm eating all the time. So food has never been not a friend to me. But anywho, so long story short, I'm trying to gain a few pounds back. Yeah, so I lost 20. I'm trying to gain back maybe like 10 pounds in the right places. Because I lose the weight and then I try to like keep the weight in certain places and it just all go away. It's just, I just can't make it work. But anyway, okay, so like I said, I went to Wendy's. Oh my God, y'all. And so, let me tell you something. First, I went to Wendy's, right? They got my order wrong. This made me think about, you know, how your mamas always tell you, don't leave the house with no dirty drawers. Don't leave the house looking raggedy. You know, you never know what can happen. You might have to get out the car. You might have to do this, that, blah, 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 blah. Always listen to what your mama say because she know. She know. I get to Wendy's. I'm in the drive-thru, right? So they hand me my food out the window. I'm driving off as I'm checking my food like I always do. I know you're not supposed to drive off till you're checking food. Whatever. It was a simple order. Chicken nuggets and a sandwich was the problem. So as soon as I pull off from the window, I go look at my bag. I say, okay, boom, got my spicy nuggets. It's about to go down. And I'm looking, I'm like, I move my napkins. They got fries in here. I was like, oh, they done messed up and gave me fries and nuggets and a sandwich. I move my little sauce to the side, and I see I ain't got no chicken sandwich in my bag. Mind you, I did not take my mother's advice. I ran out the house thinking I'm just going through the drive-thru. Ain't nothing gonna happen. I ain't gotta get all fancy and all this kind of stuff. I ain't gotta put no pants on if I don't really want to. Y'all had to park the car and go back inside. Do you see me? I look raggedy, okay? I ain't no shame. I look raggedy. I don't have on no makeup. I barely brushed my teeth this morning. No, I'm kidding. I brushed my teeth, but still, I look like I just came from somebody's gym. Okay? I had my flip-flops on. Toes, they done, but then they not done. So, I got some, like, toenail polish coming off or some of them. You know how we do. Yeah, it's cold outside. You know about each other. You know what I'm saying? Had they toes done. And it's winter time. I'm going to be wearing boots and shoes all the time. I ain't going to have my toes out. But anyway, long story short, wasn't nobody in the Wendy's except for one man. He wouldn't pay me no attention. So I went in there, boom, got my order, came back out. Boom, shot over to Chick-fil-A because it's right, like in the same parking lot basically. Went to Chick-fil-A, got my free nuggets with my app, and an 8-piece chicken nugget. Y'all, of course I have to have my Chick-fil-A sauce because boom, boom, of course Chick-fil-A sauce is the best sauce ever. I also got my barbecue sauce because I like to dip barbecue sauce, my fries in barbecue sauce. And I've never tried the Polynesian sauce from Chick-fil-A, but everybody swears by this. They think it's just the best thing in the world. I always thought it was like sweet and sour sauce or like some type of Asian Oriental type of sauce, and I'm not into that, but I say, what the heck, I'm gonna try it anyway. So today is going to be my first time trying the Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce. So we're gonna see how that goes. Alright. Not judging, but the smell don't. It don't really. I don't know. But anywho, I like to eat my fries first, and I probably done talked all this time and my fries got too cold. But I like to eat my sides first, but for the sake of today's video, I'm going to try to, like, not sit here and eat all my fries first and taste everything. So first, definitely let my fries get cold, but that's neither here or there, they still good. Now, okay, so I told you I was craving chicken nuggets today, right? I have not had a spicy chicken nugget from Wendy's since they came back out with it. They had it for a long time. Then they discontinued it for some reason. But anyway, they finally brought it back. So I wanted to see if they're still bomb as they used to be when they first came out. Like when places come out with food and then they discontinue it and they try to come out with it again. They do something different with the recipe, be revamped or something, and it just ain't quite the same. Like this Popeye's chicken sandwich. Okay, I haven't had it since it came back out, but I I tried that chicken sandwich when way before the hype of the whole social media thing or whatever. I been had that chicken sandwich. I ain't gonna lie. That mug was good. It was off the chain. I ain't gonna lie. I low-key want another one. I almost stopped there, but I said another day. But anywho, now that they came back out with it, since everybody and their mama bought it out the first time, and they was like out of Popeye's chicken sandwiches for like 3 months or whatever. They came back out with it, and everybody's saying how it's not the same. It's not as good as the first time they came out with it, and blah blah this. So I don't know. We're gonna see if that's the same thing about these spicy nuggets from Wendy's. I'm gonna try this Polynesian sauce on this French fry and see what's up. I don't know. Let me try it with a nugget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 9. Hold up, Chick-fil-A. That's why I love Chick-fil-A. They always hooking you up. So let me see what this Polynesian sauce do on this Chick-fil-A nugget. Because I don't think the fry gave me the full effect. Let me see. I don't know if it's the sauce or just the actual nugget that's so good, but man. Hold on. I ain't had a Chick-fil-A chicken nugget in forever. I usually get sandwiches, but I forgot how good these nuggets were. Golly. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get this Chick-fil-A sauce open. Because you know I got to have my Chick-fil-A sauce. Okay. Let me see. I ain't mad at the Polynesian sauce, but it ain't something that I would just get on the regular. I can't describe what it tastes like. It tastes like sweet. Just tastes like sweet sauce. I don't know what to call it. It tastes like something I've tasted before, but I don't know. This Chick-fil-A sauce though, if you ain't never tried Chick-fil-A sauce, you ain't living. You ain't living, boo. You ain't living your best life. You don't know what you're missing. Bruh. I think I talked too long before I start eating because my fries are like so cold now. They not nasty. They just cold. I know I said I woke up craving chicken nuggets. Spicy chicken nuggets to be exact. No, I ain't even ate one yet. Well, let me see if these mugs are spicy as they used to be. I mean, you know, you can still see the pepper and the spices on that thing. You know, yeah, I know I need a refill. Don't call me in the comments. Okay, boom. See what the spicy nugget talking about. Sorry, y'all. Everybody always talk about me because I eat so slow. And it's not I'm eating slow. I just actually chew my food, which a lot of people don't do, I guess. I like to savor the flavor of my food. You know, that's how you can tell if it's good or not. Okay. It's definitely good. They're good. However, I'm trying to remember what they taste like because it seems like they taste different. Got a little spice in my throat. They're spicy. They're good. They just taste different from what I remember back in the day. I mean, they're good or whatever. Hey, Wendy, you add a little spicy, like, I ain't never been scared of no spice. You know, I like me the spice. It's pretty good. But I was about my chicken sandwich, though. Let me hop on the spicy chicken sandwich and see what's good. See if it can live up to the Popeyes chicken sandwich hype. Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich hype. People will sleep on Wendy's, but in a lot of the the chicken sandwich reviews I saw online, a lot of people was putting Wendy's in the freaking category. Like, they was comparing Wendy's too. So I was like, let me see what that's about. I don't think I ever tried the spicy chicken sandwich at Wendy's. And that's weird because I don't know why I wouldn't. Maybe because it was too hot. I've been complaining about spending $4 on the chicken sandwich from Wendy's. And Popeye, not Wendy's, Chick-fil-A. And Chick-fil-A and Popeye's chicken sandwiches are pretty much the same price. I think Chick-fil-A might be like 10 cents cheaper or whatever, but if I was complaining about that price, $5 and something for a chicken sandwich from Wendy's, ain't gonna be able to do it. Can't do it. But this one was on the it was on the 2 for $5 from Wendy's, like I said. You know, Wendy's after 4 for $4. And they just came out with this 2 for $5. So you can get the spicy nuggets, regular nuggets, chicken sandwich, or what else? Or the Dave's cheeseburger, whatever. Pick 2 of those for $5. And I only drink water, y'all. I don't drink juice. I don't drink soda. I don't drink tea. I mean, I'll listen to the tea. You can give me the tea, but I ain't gonna drink it. Okay. Hold on. Let me let y'all see what this Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich looking like. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see, but my bun is like glistening like a mug. Let me peel this up off here like this. Okay, got my lettuce. Got my 1 tomato. Lettuce looking kind of, but I mean, you know. God, dog, look at that. Hold on, let me show y'all this. Let me move some of this out the way. This freaking, this mug, this freaking chicken patty. Look at this mug. Oh, y'all don't look at my deodorant. It's about as big as my hand. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. Let's see what this Wendy's chicken sandwich is about. Don't hate on my vocals though. I just have to throw that out there, you know. Okay, let me see. Okay. Let me give you my thoughts. No. Maybe it's because I'm so used to Chick-fil-A sandwiches, or maybe because I've had the Popeye sandwich, but this Wendy's chicken sandwich is not doing it for me. My bread, it looks fresh, you know. It looked like it got the glisten on it, the little butter toasted, whatever. But no, the bread don't taste fresh. Maybe that's just because that location had fresh bread. However, the mayo got a kind of funky flavor. I'm not too much of a fan of the mayonnaise they got on there. I got soggy lettuce, which I don't like soggy lettuce. Maybe those are all technicalities that have nothing to do with the actual taste of the sandwich. But the chicken, let me hold on. Let me just taste the chicken by itself without any of the other mess they got on here. So I'm just gonna taste the chicken part. If that's supposed to be a spicy chicken patty, that's not what's up. I barely taste any flavor. It's very thin. It doesn't feel like real chicken when I'm chewing it. So let me compare the inside of what this chicken look like. All right. So I'm gonna take a Chick-fil-A chicken nugget. Right into that middle right there. I'm gonna take another bite of this spicy chicken sandwich. And I'm gonna let you compare what the inside of these two chicken pieces look like. Now, I don't know if y'all can see very good, but look at the inside of this Chick-fil-A chicken. That looks like actual chicken. This, on the other hand, looks like a combination of meat goo smushed together and shaped it to a patty. Or chicken fillet, whatever you want to call it. Chicken baguette, because it tastes like baked chicken. I don't know why I keep going back to this Polynesian sauce, because in all honesty, it's not my favorite thing. Let me get some of the Chick-fil-A sauce. You know what? Maybe if I put some sauce to this chicken sandwich, it'll taste a little better. So, y'all want to know for the barbecue sauce, the Polynesian sauce, or the Chick-fil-A sauce? I think everything is supposed to taste better with Chick-fil-A sauce. So, dun dun dun. How dare I? How dare I put Chick-fil-A sauce on a Wendy's chicken sandwich? She's gone mad. What is she doing? This is unacceptable. Let me take a bite of this and see if the Chick-fil-A sauce can do its job and make this Wendy's chicken sandwich taste remotely better. Not gonna lie. I can't lie, it made it taste about 3 times better. However, if I did not have this Chick-fil-A sauce to save the day, this probably would have been in the trash. I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, y'all. So, I think that's all for today. Don't judge me because you're going to see me sit here and eat my whole feast. I did pretty good though. I ate pretty much half of everything except for my spicy nuggets, which this is probably just my second one. But y'all, comment below. Tell me what else you want to hear. Like any kind of stories, ask me any type of questions. Let me know what you want me to review next time, what you want to sit and watch me eat. All that. I want all the love. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel. And I'll see you next time. Peace.